I'm going to do a video showing you how to find the line of best fit regression line on a TI-84. We're going to start by going into the Stat menu. We're going to edit. So the data we're going to put in goes from 30 to 70, going by tens. And I'm going to show you a shortcut, or another option to do this. We'll go up to the very top, the header of L1. We're going to go into the list, which is second stat. Scroll over to ops. We would like to find the sequence. So we're going to find the sequence. We have to type in the expression, the variable, the starting number, the ending number, and then the increment. So go to number 5. So the sequence, the equation is just going to be x. The variable is going to be x. We're going to start at 30. We're going to go up to 70. And our increment is going to be 10. So this is not a big data set, so it would have been easy to do by hand, but this shows you how you would do it if you wanted to streamline. So there we have 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We'll go to L2. The Y values are 105, 101, 95, 81, and 84. We've now got our data in L1 and L2. Those are the X and Y values. We would like to now find the regression line. So we go back into Stat, scroll over to Calculate. Number 5 on mine would give us a linear regression of AX plus B. Here we're going to type in the X list, the Y list, the frequency list, and then if we store the equation, we can also then graph it when we're done, along with the scatter plot. So we'll go to number 5. So the X's are in L1, the Y's are in L2. The frequency here is all 1, so we're not going to put that. And then we need to have the equation. So we go to vars, scroll over to Y vars, and you can pick Y1. So that will store the equation in Y1. Close the parentheses. We will hit enter. We see that the equation y equals ax plus b, our slope would be negative 0.62, and our y-intercept would be 124.2, so the equation would be y hat, the predicted value, equals negative 0.62x plus 124.20. We have an r value of negative 938, so that's very good. So that would be the first part of the problem. The second part asks us to find the sum of the squared residuals. So to do that, we're going to go back into the list. So press second stat for list. The residuals are down at the bottom. If you have a newer calculator, you might just scroll down. But we're going to do the residuals. Before we do that, though, we need to get the sum. So we go to Math, hit number 5. So we went to Sum. Now we're going to go back in to find the residuals. So again, that's in second list. Residuals, we want to square those, so we want the sum of the residuals squared. Close parentheses, hit enter. Shows up on mine as 52 2/5. We can convert that quickly to a decimal by pressing Math and then decimal. It'll convert our last answer into a decimal. We get 52.4.